Okay, welcome to my video on how to use Frieson's ConnectMe effectively. First thing we're going to go over is the portraits, uploading and editing portraits. To upload portraits, go to Upload Portraits. Now index file. This is an example on how to create an effective index file. All of the important information needed to know is the image name, first name, last name, and grade. If you can accomplish all of this, then you can put any portrait in effectively, even if it's just of one student. Then we would want to go to Manage. We can edit and design how we want the pages to look. In this case, let's go to Grads. Now, as you can see, we have many options already. We can make the words be on the right. We can make the words be on the left. We can just design things how we want. We can space out everything exactly how we want. So that the pictures have more breathing room. We can change the stroke of the wording. We can change the font of the wording. We can change the pixel. We can change the box dimensions. We can choose the box's shape. We can copy settings from a different document, like say I want to copy settings from grade 9. It will show us how the grade 9 pages look and show us the default template for the grade 9s. We can arrange line 1 exactly how we want, arrange line 2 exactly how we want, although it's not really important to have a line 2. We can do last name, first name if that was a theme. Now let's go into edit portraits. If there's errors in anyone's name while proofreading, let's just unflow this so I can. Oh, it's in Manage. Remove. You have to remove before you can edit. Sometimes we need to make sure the pages are saved effectively. So let's open up these 3 pages. As you can see, the 3 pages now have no portraits in them. To add text or stuff into any of the pages, you just have to hit the T, type in what you want with the font you want. You can make it as big as 300 pt or as small as 1 pt. You can use the text fonts provided by your teacher to change the text. You can edit the color using the project colors, or you can click this tool below where you can use a combination of cyan, magenta, yellow, and black to create the color for your text. You can bold, italicize, or underline whatever you want. You can center it, you can put it to the right or left, or just write a paragraph. This lorem asylum's used so you can see what your project will look like when it's finished. You can draw a box one size, but you can resize it and drop pictures into it maybe. Didn't drop in. Well, most of the pictures you can drop in anyway. For that example, it didn't seem to work. You can create a line that you can do a lot with. You can rotate pretty much anything at whatever angle you see fit. Makes stuff have drop shadows in whatever direction you want. You can make it not as visible to the person reading it. You can even go into templates and just drop a sample template or create your own. You can use the sample background or grab one off of Google or take a picture to create your own. That's an example of a background that would be effective. Under every photo you want a caption or something telling you what's in the photo. You want a headline to every page. You can design your own layouts. And flow. Let's just close these for now. And that's pretty much all you'll need to know about the portraits and how to use the inner software. But you can upload images in Organize Images, upload, browse for files, and you can add a category on where you want to upload the images. And that is all. Thank you for watching. Richard Thibault signing out.